Welcome! In front of me I have Mibro Watch GS Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to change the screen timeout duration on this watch. Basically, how quickly the screen turns off after you stop using your watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing any of the buttons. Once you wake up the screen, press the upper button to open the menu, then scroll through the menu, find the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, find the display option and tap on it. And here you have the lock screen option. Select it. And right here we have the list of durations we can select from, and we have 5 seconds, 10 seconds, 20, 30, and 1 minute. So select the duration you would like to use. And once you're done, you can press the upper button to go back to watch face. And I set mine to 20 seconds, so my screen will turn off automatically after 20 seconds of an activity. So it should be quite soon. Right around now, I would say somewhere. No, here we have it. And of course, if you set it to longer screen timeout duration, for example, more than 10 or 20 seconds, the screen will stay on for longer, so that means that the battery will last, or basically your battery life on the watch will be cut a little, so be aware of that. So if you set it, for example, to 30 seconds, the screen will have to stay up longer, which means that the battery will drain quicker. But that's how you change the screen timeout duration on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.